Hey folks, welcome back. Tell you what, this is not the video that I was planning on bringing you this week. So, as you know, we got a little virus floating around the world right now, and it has struck Louisville, Kentucky as well. And as you all also know, it's crazy out there. And I went to buy a rotisserie, or a whole chicken to do a rotisserie on, and not a single chicken product in the entire store. So, I do got some taters, and I got some burger. I'm doing burgers and fries. Now I'm gonna show you, or let me just say, I'm gonna do my first ever attempt at air fried homemade French fries. That's what we're gonna show you. So, wish me luck. Here we go, let's get going. Guys, I got a little bowl of water over here. I've already got a couple French fries in there cut. I got some small russet potatoes, and these unfortunately need to be cut down a little bit just to fit in my dicer here. And we're just going to chop these up and let them soak in water, get some of the starch out. I'll pull these out. If I see any bad spots, which I don't see any on this one, I will cut them out. But for the most part, we're just going to let them in here and let them soak. Alright, these are going to go in the fridge for maybe 20-30 minutes. Just want to let some of that starch render out of there. That'll help our fries out quite a bit. Hey guys, I've drained these off. I'm just trying to pat them dry a little bit. Just going to dump them in just a little side bucket here so we can season them up, get them going. Not like that. As a seasoning, I just got some extra virgin olive oil, just a little. Really just want to coat these down a little bit. That'll crisp up that skin too, I'm hoping. And I just got some of this Emeril's essence. Going in Emeril's air fryer, we got to do some Emeril's essence. I love this stuff. I use this stuff even before the air fryer. Give her a good mix. A little bit more olive oil. That's really not a whole lot, I'm telling you. It's not a whole lot. A little more seasoning. Gotta coat all of these. And just to prevent sticking, I'm going to spray down our basket. We're just going to load up our crisper tray. Probably have to use 2 of these for the amount of fries I got. Already smell good. We'll give these a good shake about halfway through. Spread. Load the rest of our fries. Put out air fry. On 400, and I'm gonna go for 15 minutes just to check this thing, and I'll check it and probably shake them up a little bit, and then we'll reset it again. Get her preheated. Okay, I'm not concentrating too much on these burgers because the main interest is the French fries, but I got these 3, they're about third pound, little over third pound, 80-20 ground chuck burgers. And I'm just going to season them up a little bit with this Killer Hog steak rub. Love this, guys. It's got a little spice to it too, guys. Guys, we are preheated. We'll pause this guy. Get our French fries on in there. On there. On there. We'll see y'all in about 15 minutes. All right, let's see what we got here. Making all kinds of racket. We're obviously not done. I just want to give these a little mix. Looks like they're coming along. I'm going to rotate the baskets. I don't really know for sure if it's necessary, but I'm going to. All right, put that on top. Put that one on bottom. It might take a second to reheat, but let's keep the same settings and let's go with it, guys. It will reheat a little bit. All right, I'll show you a little bit of this mess. It's starting to rain on me, so guys, so I ain't gonna show you a whole lot of this. Good looking burgers there. Got a little flame kiss going on. Uh-oh, that was trying to fall apart on us. All right, guys, next time you see these, we'll be plating up some burgers. All right, let's give these guys a try here just to see what we got. You see them almost reach in and grab that? You know what? They're feeling pretty good. Oh, that's hot. It's air fried. So far, 30 minutes at 400 on air fry. Put that over there. These are feeling good. Let me check these out. They're not as crisp as I want, but I'm gonna put them back in for just a minute. They're close. Very, very close, guys. At top. While I'm waiting on these burgers to finish up, I'm gonna run these maybe, you know what? I'm gonna put them on bake. Bake, and I'm gonna kick the temps back up to like 425. I just want to crisp these. They're done. I want to crisp them a little bit. So I'm going to run these about 5 minutes on bake. I want the higher temp just to crisp them up just a little bit. All right, guys, I'm gonna pull this out here. I haven't even gone the full cycle, but I'm pretty sure we're very close. Can y'all see that? I'll show you again here in a second. Yeah, we're very crisp. We're done, guys. Let me plate these up. I'm gonna feed my family. I'll come back and we'll do a little taste test. That's fairly crisp. I like it. Oh, that tastes so good, guys. Sneak peek, sneak peek. You guys got a little tasty cheeseburger. Check out some of these fries. Not too shabby for the first try. Ketchup right on top. Oh yeah. All right, guys, let's go on in here. I think for my first try, guys, that was pretty good. Some of these are a little soft, but there's a lot of crisp in here too. Oh, that ketchup is, that spice, that Emeril's essence. It's on spot. I like it. Guys, thank you so much. If this video seemed a little rushed, well, you're right, it was rushed. Change of plans at the last minute. The whole coronavirus going around, guys. So guys, please wash your hands. And if you ain't got to get out, don't. A little separation ain't gonna kill any of us for a little while, so we can get this thing died off. So right now it's going into full bloom here in America. So guys, take care. Wash your hands, people. Thank you so much. Please hit that like button. Subscribe to us if you haven't already. And guys, we will see you on the next one. God love you, folks. Bye-bye.